Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Shengshou Pillowed Pyramorphix. Now, I'm just going to be focusing on the Pillowed Pyramorphix on this video. Now, I'm going to make a separate video directly comparing these two, just in case you're trying to decide which of these two to get. This puzzle is the 2x2 equivalent of the Mastermorphix. Now, this puzzle came in at about $7, so it wasn't a very expensive puzzle. And if you do happen to have the Mastermorphix already, the colors are exactly the same. So the colors are good on this as well. Now, the size is slightly bigger than, this is a 56mm cube. And as you can see, it's just slightly bigger. But it's a good size, in my opinion. Now, as far as this cube in corner cutting, it corner cuts okay. Now, it lacks a little bit in reverse corner cutting. It's a little bit hard to hold in this position to corner cut. Now, in reverse corner cutting, it does lack a little bit, as you can see. But I don't usually find this a problem during solves, as you're not turning this as fast as you would if you were speed solving a 2x2 or 3x3. So, with my experience, it doesn't get in the way any. Now I'm just going to do a quick scramble and example solve so you can kind of get a better idea at how this cube turns. Now I'm just hand scrambling this. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is solve, a set like this, except with the colors correct. So let's look at what we're doing here. Now this cube isn't too difficult to solve once you have the idea of it down. Or the concept, I should say, that makes more sense. So once you've solved it a few times, it definitely is easier to solve. And if you've solved you know how to solve the Mastermorphix, you should just be able to pick this up and solve it, I'd say. So as you see, it didn't take me too long. It's not very hard once you understand it. You could have some trouble when you first get it, but it's not too difficult. Now, if you have any questions about this cube, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them.